Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. And from time to time, I do come across these Land Rover, Range Rover HSEs. Now listen, we are coming into the wintertime here in the Midwest, so I always pick up a couple of these nice units that are in very good condition. This particular 2004 Range Rover HSE has a 4.4 liter motor in it. It is an all-wheel drive. It is a 3-owner vehicle, no accidents. This particular Range Rover was sold brand new in California. As far as the service records, excellent service records, guys, all documented as well. This thing's been serviced by Land Rover in Santa Monica, California, and we have those documents as well. And also, it's been serviced at the Rolls-Royce dealership there in California as well. So this thing has a clean Carfax report, guys. Beautiful truck. We will be going for a test drive. It's got leather interior and just a couple upgrades. As you can see, the dub wheels. If you don't like them, no problem, but they do look good on the specific truck. All power stuff with Harman Kardon. Look at this thing. Just gorgeous. Sunroof in the back. You got the rear there with the split, in which I want to show you. That does come up and down, so you can have a full bench here. You got 2 monitors in the back by the seats. Super clean interior, guys, on the Range Rover. All right. Air conditioning does blow cold. This thing has 47,671 miles, guys, with only 3 owners. Sounds good, huh? So primarily what we're going to do here is just going to go for a test drive, guys. I'm not really going to talk that much during this test drive because these things really just are straightforward vehicles. It's got all the options that you're looking for. It's got that manual shift as well. Or you can just put it in drive and go, whatever you prefer. But I'll tell you, I drove this thing before I bought it here for the dealership. It is nice and smooth. And I just want you guys to witness that as well. Very responsive motor. Trans shifts real nice. Steering feels great. Brakes feel good on the car too, on the truck. All right. Yeah. Very, very smooth. I mean, that's why you buy these luxury SUVs, for this type of luxurious ride and comfort. I mean, these seats are super comfortable. It's got the armrest as well. Console, your little cup holder for your Dunkin' Donuts. Engine sounds great. I'm really impressed. So a little bit about our dealership. 26 years experience in our dealership here, guys. We do buy, sell, build across all vehicles, makes, models. We do specialize in classic cars. But like I said, I get a couple of these SUVs that you just can't pass up that are just in that nice of condition. And great deal. That guy was a moron. So for financing, you can use your own credit union if you like, or your own bank. This thing does book out for value, which is great. You can possibly use our lenders as well. And you can see and get that application, the credit application, at mgmclassiccars.com. You guys can find that on the upper right-hand corner under the Finance tab. This is going to conclude our test drive here at MGM. If you need cost of delivery, you guys may text me or call me. I do prefer text. If you don't text, that's fine. Give me a call and leave me a voicemail, and I will call you back if I don't answer. For those of you who want to text me your zip code, my number is area code 847-848-1850. We're going to head back now to the headquarters here at mgmclassiccars.com in this brown building that we're going to pull up to the left side. This building is full of classic cars, guys, that you can check out on our .com websites. And we do offer great financing for everything. Again, my number is 847-848-1850. Guys, gals, thanks for watching. MGM. Talk soon.